7 proven home remedies for thicker hair. While there is no way to change the texture of the hair follicles, there are many things people can do to make hair appear thicker and to reduce breakage and hair loss. No matter what the cause, it may be possible to help hair look naturally thicker by using everyday products. These methods should not take the place of treatment for underlying conditions that may be causing the thin hair, such as nutritional deficiency or alopecia. The natural treatments below may help thicken thin hair regardless of whether further treatment is remedies. There is a range of natural ways to thicker thinning hair, but results will vary from person to person. Everyday products to make hair look thicker include: number 1. Eggs. Eggs are high in protein, which is essential for the body to build strong thick hair. When used regularly, an egg treatment may help thicker and strengthen a person's hair. To use an egg treatment, beat 1 or 2 eggs together, apply the eggs to the scalp and damp hair, leave the eggs on the scalp for about 30 minutes, wash hair thoroughly with the warm water and mild shampoo. Alternate, combine the eggs with oil and water. To use this method, mix egg yolks, 1 tablespoon olive oil and 2 tablespoons of water. Apply the mixture to the scalp and dry hair, leave for 15 minutes, rinse out with warm water and a mild shampoo. Using an egg treatment once or twice a week for several weeks might help straighten the hair. Number 2. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in omega-3 acids and other nutrients that are essentials overall health, including hair health. When applied directly to the scalp and hair, olive oil helps to more thicker hair. Olive oil also has the added benefit of softening the hair and relieving dry scalp. To use olive oil, heat the oil to body temperature, massage the warm oil into the scalp and hair. Leave in hair for about 30 to 45 minutes. Rinse out the olive oil with mild shampoo. Some people add honey to the olive oil and others suggest leaving the olive oil on overnight using a shower cap to cover the hair. Number 3. Proper nutrition. A nutritionist diet that contains healthiest fats, proteins and a range of vitamins can help with thinning or thin hair. In fact, thin hair can be a sign that a person is not getting enough nutrition. To help remedy this, people with thin hair should include some of the following nutrients-rich foods in their diets: salmon, which is high in protein and fatty acids; eggs, which contains protein, omega-3 and iron; walnuts, almonds and other nuts, which are sources of fatty acid; Greek yogurt, which is a source of protein; green, black, pinto and other beans, which contain protein. A person should look to add 1 or 2 servings of any of the above food to their daily diet. Even adding just 3 or 4 servings a week can contribute to improved hair health. Number 4. Orange peel. The vitamin C, pectin and acid in orange can help a person's hair in a few different ways. Vitamins and nutrients may improve hair's natural luster, which makes the hair appear thick. The acid in oranges helps break par residue left from hair products. These residues may interfere with hair growth. Unlike some of the other treatments, orange peel has a pleasant scent that makes the treatment more enjoyable. People can use orange peel as a hair treatment by blending fresh oranges, then massaging the peel into the ear and scalp. Leave the peel on the ear for about 1 hour before rinsing it out. Some people like to use a light conditioner to rehydrate their hair following an orange peel treatment. Number 5. Aloe gel. Many people believe the aloe vera. Many people believe that the aloe vera plant is helpful for the skin, scalp and hair. Applying aloe oil directly to the hair and scalp may help straighten the hair and thicker it over time. Several commercial products that contain aloe as an active ingredient are readily available. These products often the form of gels and creams that are applied directly to the scalp and hair. For a homemade solution, a person can try rubbing some pure aloe gel into the scalp and letting it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing. Some people mix the aloe with coconut oil and olive oil. People can use this treatment once or twice per week. Number 6. Avocado. Avocado is rich in vitamin E and many people believe it be a good moisturizer. Make a simple avocado rub and apply twice a week. To make an avocado rub, combine the fruit of 1 avocado with 1 tablespoon olive oil. Apply the mixture to ear and scalp. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with mild shampoo. Number 7. Castor oil. Castor oil is also high in vitamin E and fatty acids. Vitamin E is known for aiding hair health. Castor oil is easy to apply to the hair with no preparation. Rub the oil over the scalp and hair until the hair is coated. Leave the oil on the head for about 30 minutes before rinsing out. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.